Good day, class! I am your teacher for today, Teacher Roman from Cebu Normal University. And today's lesson, we will learn what is media literacy. According to the recent data reportal statistics, the Philippines has 89 million social media users as of January 2021. The number of social media users here in the Philippines increased by 16 million plus 22% between 2020 and 2021. The number of social media users in the Philippines has an equivalent to 80.7% of total population in January 2021. So with this statistical data, it really shows on how Filipinos are really hooked with social media. But it is also important to really know where is the legitimate news and what sources of media that is informative and doesn't contain any fake news or illegitimate informations. We also need to emphasize that with these informations in social media, not everything is true. That's why we need to learn how to be a media literate kind of people. Media literacy is essential for everybody, including the Filipino youth, to be informed on what is really media literacy. So, what is media literacy? According to MediaLiteracyNow.com, media literacy is an umbrella term encompassing a variety of approaches that develop critical thinking skills around all types of media, which include social media, print media, television media, and other forms of media. It also builds an understanding of how media messages shape our culture and society. Also, it gives people tools to advocate for a change in the media system. So, with media literacy, it really helps us to learn on how to evaluate the informations that we see in all forms of media. Especially here in the Philippines, social media is our #1 platform in finding information. So with media literacy, it is our advantage as media literate people to identify and educate our peers about the importance of identifying the legitimate and illegitimate information, especially circulating in our social media platforms. As an educator, it is also our responsibility to help our students to be informed, educated, and empowered on the means of media, on how they can build a safe and effective sharing of information, especially in the mainstream media, notably the social media. Lastly, guys, I hope that you've learned something in my discussion, and let's be a responsible and wise user of media and a sharer of information, especially in social media that it is compasses with a lot of mixed information. So, with media literacy, we are able to identify the truth from the illegitimate information that we see or read in our social media platforms.